Best smart digital multimeters. Multimeters are an essential part of electrician and DIY hobbyist. They come handy often. If you don't have a multimeter on your closet already, it's finally time you invest on one. Why not invest in a smart multimeter? In this video, we are going to help you find the right smart multimeter for your working needs. Watch till the end to find out the best multimeter for you. Number 5. AstroAI Digital Multimeter TRMS 6000. Based in Southern California, the AstroAI brand includes a variety of home improvement automotive tools. If you're looking for a trustworthy product, the AstroAI Digital Multimeter TRMS 6000 seems to fit that category. What makes the AstroAI multimeter unique in this price range is that it's an all-rounder. There is no one specific feature that distinguishes it. Rather, what puts it ahead of competitors is the ability to conduct multiple tests while having add-ons to supplement ease of use. The AstroAI Digital Multimeter TRMS 6000 features built-in explosion-proof F400 mA/600V and F10A/600V ceramic fuse tubes with double protection. These are a crucial element of the multimeter, protecting against overload. It is Cat 3, 600V, Cat 2, 1000V, safety certified. Whether you're looking to do electrical testing around the home, or are a professional looking for a commercial tool, the AstroAI Digital Multimeter TRMS 6000 can for you. Number 4. INNOVA 3320 Auto-Ranging Digital Multimeter. One of the unique features of INNOVA 3320 is its vast range. It measures up to 200 mA of AC and 10 amps of DC, which is an unusually wide range for multimeters in this category. Most people need a multimeter to measure DC, and it's rarely used for measuring AC values. Although it's a usual feature in many automotive multimeters, it's slightly different in this one. Instead of just checking the voltage of a battery, it also checks the state by putting it under a slight load. It has 3 LED lamps, green, yellow, and red, on the front of the casing with 3 symbols which represent the level of the battery. The giant screen is one of the crucial parts of this automotive multimeter, and it makes it easy to read all of the numbers, symbols, and marks on the screen. INNOVA 3320 also features auto shutdown function. This way, it will save battery when you are not using the multimeter for a while. Number 3. Klein Tools MM400 Multimeter. The Klein Tools MM400 is powered by cheaper, easier to get AAA batteries as opposed to more expensive 9V. The display is fairly standard, to 4000 count, and is sans bar graph, though is backlit. Temperature is displayed in either Fahrenheit or Celsius and comes via the standard method of input, through an included thermocouple. This simply plugs through the main terminal/common connection. There are 2 fuses on board, one for the high 10A current circuit and the 500 mA across the main terminal. The fuses are the ceramic HRC type, a sure sign of quality input protection. The category rating of the MM400, which signifies strength and quality of the circuit board components, is Cat 3 at 600V. This gives it an overvoltage protection to 6 kV. For the money, Klein MM400 is an insanely valued multimeter packing tons of feature and a durable housing. Number 2. Crenova MS8233D Auto-Ranging Digital Multimeter. The Crenova MS8233D multimeter is designed to meet IEC 61010-1 and Cat 2 600V, overvoltage category, and double insulation. The convenient auto-ranging operation allows you to select the right measurement range when working on a variety of components. Special features: backlight LCD 3.5-digit LCD display provides a clear display. And backlight can help show the reading clearly in dark areas and at night. It comes with a rubber holster that protects the meter from shock and damage. Even if you accidentally drop the meter, it won't break from the impact. The included LCD display is very clear and vivid during both day and nighttime uses. Double fuse protects the multimeter from any kinds of electrical accidents as well. Crenova made sure this is an easy to use for veterans and newbies alike. Number 1. AstroAI Digital Multimeter 10000. AstroAI Smart Multimeter can accurately measure AC/DC voltage, AC/DC current, 10A current, and can also be used to test continuity, capacitance, frequency, duty cycle, resistance, diode, temperature, NCV, and live wire. With this smart digital voltmeter, you can solve industrial, vehicle, and household electrical problems. The smart mode of the multimeter can automatically identify voltage, resistance, and continuity. Smart tips for test leads, real-time temperature display, data hold, max/min values, auto shutdown, low battery prompt, audio-visual alarm, fuse break reminders, and other functions make measurement and recording more convenient. Fit both beginners and professionals. The smart function takes some time to judge the signal source, so there will be a little delay. The multimeter is certified with SU and RoHS. The design and manufacture of the instrument strictly comply with IEC 61010-1 Cat.3 1000V, Cat.4 600V over voltage safety standards, and pollution level 2. The dual ceramic fuses, which have anti-burn and overload protection functions. If you want to know the price of the mentioned multimeters, don't forget to check the description box. You will find links to purchase them with more information regarding each multimeters. Make sure to leave a like on the video. Subscribe so you don't miss out on future uploads.